Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking iOS version and available storage so the installation won't fail. Next, open the App Store and install Parallel Space, granting permissions when prompted. Once installed, you should prepare a separate phone number or verification method for the second WhatsApp account. This is essential because WhatsApp needs a unique number. Make sure notifications and background app refresh are enabled so the cloned app behaves like the original. Now move on to adding apps inside Parallel Space. Open Parallel Space and choose Add App, then select WhatsApp to create the cloned instance. This isolates the second account. Once cloned, launch that WhatsApp inside Parallel Space and input the secondary phone number. This must be different from your primary account. After you request verification, complete SMS or call verification as usual. If you have a backup tied to that number, restore it now. Once verified, personalize notifications and privacy settings inside the cloned app so messages arrive reliably. Finish by testing sending and receiving messages in the cloned WhatsApp. Make sure notifications appear and media opens correctly, because that confirms a full setup. Keep both Parallel Space and WhatsApp updated to prevent crashes and feature mismatches, and enable required permissions like contacts and microphones so calls and chats work. If verification or login fails, try the call verification, restart the app, or check network and permission settings. These steps usually resolve syncing or activation problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.